What if your phone didn't just follow your commands, but actually understood your lifestyle? It could learn your patterns, predict your next move, and sync your entire digital world without you saying a word. It might sound like science fiction, but Google may already be building something that can do exactly this. Its name is Stitch, and if the rumors are true, it could become the most personal, most powerful, and most controversial AI Google has ever created. So let's dive deep, because what Stitch can do is impressive, surprising, and just a bit unsettling. Everything began when an internal Google research document quietly made its way online. In that document was a mysterious name that caught everyone's attention: Stitch. At first, people assumed it was another experimental AI project, something that would never see the light of day. But researchers who dug deeper quickly realized this project was completely different. Stitch was described as a continuity intelligence model, a type of AI designed to understand how your devices, apps, and habits all connect. Instead of relying on massive cloud servers, Stitch would run directly on your device. This meant it could observe your daily routine, understand your personal patterns, and update itself in real time. It could learn when you wake up, how long you scroll, when you usually leave the house, and even which apps you tend to open first. The more you used your device, the smarter Stitch would become. It wasn't just another assistant. It was a learning engine built to adapt to you. Imagine opening your laptop each morning and finding every app you normally use already loaded. Your browser is open to your usual tabs, your email is refreshed, and your project files are ready to go. Stitch wouldn't need commands. It would already know what you plan to do. This magic comes from something Google calls local memory modeling. Instead of sending your data to the cloud, Stitch keeps everything securely stored on your device. That makes it faster, safer, and far more accurate. It builds an internal timeline of your day, almost like a digital diary that only your device can read. Every time you repeat an action, Stitch gets better at recognizing the pattern. Over time, it can anticipate what you want before you even think about it. For you, it feels like technology that finally understands your rhythm. For Google, it's a breakthrough in blending personalization with privacy. Right now, the tech world is racing toward on-device AI. Apple is pushing its own advanced tools. OpenAI wants to replace the smartphone entirely. Meta is betting big on AR, wearables, and digital assistants. Google knows it needs something spectacular to stay ahead. Stitch might be that next big leap, a system that connects your phone, laptop, smartwatch, earbuds, car, and smart home into one intelligent network. Apple is known for privacy. OpenAI is known for powerful reasoning. Google wants to compete with both by building an AI that's private, fast, and unbelievably useful. Stitch could become the framework that ties everything together, making your entire digital life feel unified. It's not just another assistant, it's a foundation for the next generation of Google devices. Let's be honest, an AI that remembers everything you do sounds helpful, but also a little alarming. Stitch doesn't just recall what you tell it. It remembers the context, when, where, and why. If you always check the weather before heading out, Stitch can start giving you updates automatically. If it notices you get anxious at certain times, it could silence your notifications. If you binge a certain type of content at night, it might start preparing it for you. This is incredibly powerful, but it also raises serious questions. How much should an AI know about your daily patterns? Even if Google says everything stays on your device, it's still strange to imagine an AI forming a complete map of your life. Some people will find it useful, others will find it unsettling. Either way, Stitch forces us to rethink what it means for technology to be truly personal. If Stitch becomes a real product, the way we interact with technology could completely change. Your phone wouldn't be just a screen full of apps. It would be a personalized control center that anticipates your needs. Your home could adjust automatically to your schedule and mood. Your devices could sync without any extra setup. Tasks that normally take minutes could happen instantly. And the biggest shift of all, AI would stop being reactive. It would start being proactive. Instead of waiting for you to ask, it would think alongside you. This could make productivity smoother, entertainment more personalized, and everyday life more effortless. It could also push the entire tech industry toward deeper, more intelligent on-device AI. If Google pulls this off, the future of smartphones, and maybe even computing, could change dramatically. And that is Google Stitch, the rumored AI that learns your routines, adapts to your lifestyle, and works like a second brain living inside your device. Whether that sounds incredibly useful or deeply unsettling, one thing is certain: the next wave of AI won't just respond to us, it will learn from us. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Google Nano Banana. This is Artificial Adimena, bringing you the most exciting stories in AI and technology.